Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra today going to continue with the revision of the chapter 3 class 7 advanced feature of Excel. Excel is related to the Microsoft Office. In this chapter we have learned various things like the chart and its component, commonly used chart type, creating a chart and chart element, combo chart, spark lines, using the goal seek, grouping and worksheets, consolidating the data. These are the various topics which we have discussed in the previous classes. Today I am going to continue with the once revision of this chapter. What is the chart? Chart is an effective way. Chart एक effective way है जिसके थ्रू हम डाटा को पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म में लाते हैं. And chart make it easier. Chart make it easier to draw the comparison and analysis, the growth and relationship and trend among the value in ranges. Chart provide the more accurate analysis of information. किसी भी डाटा का more accurate information analysis लेना है तो इसके लिए चार्ट की जरूरत है. When you insert a chart, data is displayed in the special windows called data sheet. Chart is updated automatically with change in the data. अगर डाटा चेंज होता है तो चार्ट भी ऑटोमेटिक चेंज हो जाएगा. कंपोनेंट ऑफ द चार्ट, चार्ट एरिया है, कैटेगरी एरिया है, वैल्यू एक्सिस है, डाटा सीरीज है, एक्सिस टाइटल्स है, प्लॉट एरिया, लेजेंड, चार्ट टाइटल एंड ग्रिड लाइंस. एंड कॉमनली यूज चार्ट टाइप आर द कॉलम चार्ट, बार चार्ट, लाइन चार्ट, पाई चार्ट, डॉफनेट चार्ट. फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ चार्ट, चार्ट को यदि हम क्रिएट करेंगे तो चार्ट एक्सेल डाटा चाहिए. एक्सेल डाटा के आधार पर हम कोई भी चार्ट ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. फिर चार्ट का एलिमेंट में एडिंग ए चार्ट टाइटल, कोई भी चार्ट यदि हम बनाते हैं तो उसमें टाइटल ऐड करना होगा. उसका एक्सेस, टाइटल्स की एक्स एक्सिस पर क्या ले रहे हैं, वाई एक्सिस पर क्या ले रहे हैं, डाटा का लेवल्स लेना होगा. एडिंग डाटा टेबल्स एंड एडिंग लेजेंड्स, एडिंग ग्रिड लाइंस एंड फॉर्मेटिंग ए चार्ट. चार्ट को फॉर्मेट करेंगे तो चेंजिंग द बैकग्राउंड कलर एंड द पैटर्न्स. कोई भी डाटा का अगर उसमें फॉर्मेट लेना है तो उसका बैकग्राउंड अब क्या होगा. Formatting the legends, formatting the data series, and combo chart. Combo chart is the combination of the two or more chart types in a single chart. Using this feature, you can plot two or more set of the values to show multiple type of the data. So, combo chart is also very important. And spark lines are the mini chart that fit into a single worksheet cell to provide the visual representation of the data. These can be used to analyze the trend in your data. Once the spark line is added, further option can be accessed through the spark line tabs. There are three types of spark lines: line, column and win and lose. Line का मतलब हुआ represent the relative value of the selected worksheet, and column where the selected worksheet data is represented in the teeny columns. And win and loss का मतलब यह है कि where the selected worksheet data appear as a win or lose chart. Win are represent for blue square that appear above the square. So these are the main points. And goal seek का मतलब हुआ wonderful features helps to determine the input features value needed to achieve the specific goal. It calculates a value by performing what if analysis or the given set of the values. So ग्रुपिंग द वर्कशीट, ग्रुपिंग द एडिटिंग करता है मल्टीपल वर्कशीट को एक साथ करने के लिए. एंड कंसोलिडेटेड डाटा, consolidated help in the combining the data multiple worksheet. You can combine data of the various ranges either in the same sheet in the different sheet. And a recap of this chapter: chart make it easier to draw the comparison, analysis, growth and the relationship among the values. And we can change the chart type by clicking the chart type button on the design tab. And the chart area include all the object and element in a chart. And the plot area is a window within a chart area which contains the actual charts and include the plotted data series, categories and value axis. And objective of this data legend is a set of the data values. A legend data series is related to the data series. Legend key that is used to identify the color, pattern and the symbol of the assigned to the data series. And grouping worksheet is the facility in editing multiple worksheets at the same time. And goal seek is a wonderful feature which helps in the determining the input value needed to achieve a specific goal. And consolidated helps in the combining the data of the multiple worksheets. You can combine the data of various ranges either in the same sheet or in the different sheet. And objective of this chapter are these are the objective of this chapter. And MCQ, thank you, have a nice day.